Financial Rebellion money tip of the week. You make money in the stock market in two ways. The first way you make money in the stock market, which you know by now, if you're reading our newsletter every week, which thousands of people are, you know we talk a lot about the power of wealth creation that comes from owning stocks. The first way you make money is share price appreciation. Buy low, sell high, right? You've heard of that before. Over 150 years worth of data has shown that stocks, as represented in 500 stocks, typically within the S&P 500 index, has returned nearly 10 to 11, almost as much as 12% per year over the last 150 years. That's a century and a half. So buy low, sell high. Stocks rise over time. The second way you make money owning stocks is through dividends. Not really talked about much, but we do, because we are all about at Financial Rebellion helping you create ridiculous wealth over time, helping you change your family financial tree, helping you change the cycle of poverty that perhaps has been going on in your family heritage for centuries or decades. So the second way you make money, again, dividends. All a dividend is, it's a quarterly payment by the company you own stock with. Basically, they're sharing their profit with you. Back in the day, you would get issued a check in the mail of that dividend, a dividend check that would come to your house and you deposit it in your bank because you own shares of their company stock. Today, with the digital world and digital banking, some people, we don't recommend this, some people get a digital payment into their bank account every quarter. Most financial advisors would say, yeah, don't do that until maybe you need the cash when you're retired and say 70 plus years old, where you get actual payments. Instead, we recommend you reinvest those dividends, meaning you're going to own more shares of stock. So you're going to reinvest into more shares of that same stock or multiple stocks that you owned in your mutual fund or ETF, exchange traded fund. So that's it. That's the money tip of the week. Two ways to make money owning stock: share price appreciation and quarterly dividends. We'll see you in next week's teaching video of the week.